Good morning, America, and welcome to another video from the Steve School Alchemy channel, the best alchemy channel on the world. Wait, I messed that up.
No, that's good.
On the world.
We are the world's #1 foremost leading alchemist. Sorry to the competitors.
Yeah.
Didn't mean to step on your toes, guys.
Hey, if you're a competition, we are crushing
We're crushing
the
competition.
competition. Yeah. Me and my dad had a great time yesterday, barbecuing it. We're out here on the Delta in Brentwood, California, and we're working on a 1973 Holiday Mansion. And for all you DIYers, this is a handyman vacation dream right here.
Should we show them the houseboat?
Yeah. Take a tour of this thing. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool. I've been working on this for about a month. I have got my dad down here helping me because he is the #1 alchemist in the world. And we poured a secret potion in the boat and it's gonna fire up right now. Let's see what we can do.
This thing's cool as hell. It's got a hole downstairs.
I've been remodeling it. I gutted the boat, pulled out all the carpet and everything, repainted it. It's got new lights. I rebuilt the kitchen vanity. I've done a bunch of work in here, and this is the big thing. We almost had it fired up yesterday, so we're gonna see if we can't fire it up this morning.
This thing's got a restroom downstairs.
Shower.
It's got a bedroom downstairs. It's got the area up here for driving. It's got heat and AC. It's got a refrigerator back here and a sink kitchen area. This thing is awesome. New flooring, new paint. Doing some work in the engine compartment.
Alright, we got Dad's secret alchemist potion right here, mixed in with our gasoline. Let's see what happens. Dang, there's like a bunch of crap in this. Drink up, baby. You're gonna need it. There ain't no rest for the wicked. Money don't grow on trees. We got bills to pay, mouths to feed, and ain't nothing in this world for free. America.
America. We are the world's #1 leading alchemist.
And handyman.
I know some of you out there who are alchemists are going to say you feel like your toes were stepped on, but the ships fall where they do, you know.